Okay. So the content of this meeting is being sent to one or more apps. Okay. Appearances. Okay. Yes.
May your Lord be pleased. O Umemo. O initial Memo is spelled UMAMUO.
Very well. Very well. For the claimants. For the defendants. Yes. Please come maybe to the front. I'm not hearing it at all. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. I see. Okay. Come. The last time that the court sat was on this date, and it was adjourned to this date for conclusion of cross-examination. But 7th May. Okay, so you gave them a date, and that is this. Okay. All right then. I see. Stanley.
If they leave the proper foundation they lay, if the witness has been faithful and other than that, the proper procedure is tender your evidence through your own witness. There is a special procedure for you to tender a document through an adversary. That's all.
Okay.
It is given in law that you can tender a document to the court. The Supreme Court has said it is not enough. So when you want to tender it to an adverse party, you must bring the specific purpose.
Yes.
And it must to contradict the witness on a paper that and you must bring that foundation to give it to that document for the questions leading to that document based on the response you get from the witness.
You tender it through him, especially as, for example, if you can show him a document, even though it's your own, it's not their document. If he identifies it and knows everything about it, you can now even at that yes, it's the starting question. Then depending on how he answers it, yes. Okay, so how does it differ from what you're saying? Mhm. Okay, let's see what you're about to say. Can you hear the council? Can you hear him?
Can you hear me, Mrs. Hadi? Witness, can you hear me? Please, can you confirm if you can hear me?
What's her name again? Osage.
She's done something. Either she has muted her camera or her voice. There is a red sign.
Yes, she has turned off her camera.
She turned off her camera. There's something wrong here.
Council, maybe you should get to her.
Father, can you hear us? It appears to be present.
Yes, it's not.
It's the network.
Something is wrong with her.
All right, witness. What about me? Can you hear me?
Yes, it's better.
Okay. All right, so during the last time you were in court, you were asked if you were asked about one Lara Hensley Brooke, who is one of the employees of the defendant. Can you confirm that?
Yes.
You were also asked if in her email dated 10th of May 2020 at 4:20 a.m. if she described the claimant's role as director.
That's the question.
Yes. All right, please take a look at this document. It's an email. Do you confirm that that email is
I
from
cannot see it.
Why apply to compulsory intimacy?
It's not my fault. Yeah, show it to her.
Can you
Yes,
see it?
can you see it?
I can see, but I cannot see the center. Of the center.
Please, what? I can't hear you.
I cannot see the center.
Okay, she can't see the central.
Sender, the person that sent.
She wants to see the sender. It's at the top. It's
What
an email from Miss Lara Brooke.
is
No, at the top.
Lara is under. Oh, Lara is under.
There are 2 pages. Yeah. Please, what did he say? Okay, do you confirm that that email is from an employee from the defendant's establishment?
Yes.
Yes. My noble lord, we will be seeking to
Yes.
send that document.
Yes.
But additionally, you were also asked if the claimant described her role as director in one of the emails she forwarded to some of the staff members of the defendant at the last date you were in court.
I did not respond to that question. Because one, I did not see the document. And two, she's not you said from the question, you said I was asked, and I said I did not respond to that question. And I don't think you asked me that question. I only asked that if I never I said yes, it was a. So if he had described her as a director, I'm not aware of that. I don't know the document. I have not seen the document that leads to that.
All right, what I'm asking is this. Let me repeat myself.
Did I hear somebody say, I'm not going to answer that question?
No, she has not been shown the document.
Okay.
Yeah, but she said she has not seen the document, and that's because it has not been shown to her. Yes, we are done with that one, but my lord has not admitted. There are 3 documents. We are not done yet. Please, can you?
Nobody has
Yes, my noble lord, we seek to tender this document as an exhibit in this matter.
But on the face of this document, it is mutilated with handwritings and things that appear not to accompany the original documents. But secondly, they are computer-generated evidence, and there's no proof that section 84 sub 4 is actually applied. Those are the 2 objections you are raising.
Let me see.
I have not seen any document.
What did she say? What did you say?
It's asking me to identify a document.
Yes, there's something.
We are coming to that one. We are taking the first one first.
Oh, okay.
A council, you know, the difficulty in this is that if we go by our direction, we cannot take it this way, because according to our the direction of practice direction of this court, once a council mentions a document and seeks to tender it. The document goes in without prejudice to the objection of the other side. It is only during the final written address, during that time, that the other side can now say what he does not agree with. Do you understand what I'm saying?
God pleases, my lord.
Like if you had three documents and you want to tender it, they must go in. Then if this other side said, no, I object to is going in, it is of no moment until the final written address. Yes.
My lord, we are dealing with a special situation here. The first document that has been identified by the witness, we understand that that provision will apply definitely.
Yes.
So that if you have any objection, we can raise it
at the final written address.
He sending this document to an adverse party, the other remaining documents, he cannot tender them the way he would have done. In fact, when they did the evidence in chief, my lord allowed them to admit documents and reserve our right to object.
Yes, that's what I'm just saying.
This is a special occasion. So unless the witness identifies those other remaining documents, he will not be able to tender them the same way he would have tendered them when he was giving his evidence in chief.
Okay, has he not identified it?
Yes, on this one, we agree with my lord on the one that.
Okay.
My noble lord, okay, for the purpose of, I understand the argument the learned counsel for defendant has made. I will halt with the rest of the documents, and at the same time, may I seek to withdraw that document?
This one?
As the court pleases.
Okay.
Yes. We'll do the needful and proceed accordingly subsequently in the course of this process.
Okay.
Yes.
I register. Said they want to withdraw this. Keep it first. Yes, go on.
May I proceed, my lord?
Yes.
Okay, so witness, at the last date, we stopped at the point. Okay, witness. Now, do you have any report before this court which details the panelists that investigated or that conducted investigations regarding the complaints which the claimant made to the defendant against the line manager? Do you have any document before the court which shows or details the panelists, those that sat on the panel of investigation constituted by the defendant to hear the complaint which the claimant made or levied against a line manager before the defendant?
Counsel.
I paraphrase this so that
when I become a machine, you know.
I'm sorry, madam.
Yes, please. Take it easy so that I'll know what you're saying and then what she will answer.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so the question is, witness, do you have any document before this court which shows the panelists
yes
and the investigation they conducted regarding the claimant's complaint?
Yes.
All right, witness, your answer, please. Do you have it? Well, she says she does not have it.
Okay. Yes.
All right, witness, do you know any Mr. O.C. Okpeku?
Yes,
Okay,
I do.
O.S. Okay, O.S.I. Okpeku is spelled O.K.P.E.K.U.
I do. Yes, I do.
What's the answer?
She said yes, she does.
Okay. Yes, I do.
Now, witness, do you confirm that this person is a partner in the law firm that is currently representing you? Do you confirm, witness, that this person is a partner in the law firm representing the defendant in this matter?
Protection legal representative.
I did not hear you, please.
Organization legal representative. The defendant is our organization legal representative. Did you know that?
So I can't hear you. I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I can't either. Let me call the tape.
Yeah. I will have to.
We can't hear her. Please. Go, thank you.
It's reduced to the level of, I had to turn it off.
Which other? Go. It's the one.
It is the volume, so I will use this one.
Please answer again.
All right. Can you answer the question again?
Organization legal representative. They are organization legal representative. Can you hear me?
Okay, yes, they are your representative. Legal
Yes, the
representative.
representatives from the organization.
Okay.
That this person is a partner in the law firm
Of the
represent-
company, of the law
Team.
firm. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
All right. Was he a member? Do you confirm that he was a member of the panel that determined the claimant's complaint? Can you confirm that to the court?
Like determined. So can you please unpack that?
Okay, I said, was he a member of the panel that investigated the claimant's complaint?
It's part of the council. Yes, it's when the claimant when the claimant happen because it's a separate entity, how to investigate the complaint. Yes.
So your answer is yes. Witness, is that correct? Witness, can you hear me? Hello, witness.
And said the organization firm that investigated when she made the headline, constituted
Witness, hold on.
panel.
Witness, for the purpose of the network,
Network, whether I can do, let her up and down.
The thing is that they do it in Abuja.
So I can hardly hear her myself.
okay, witness, for the purpose of, because of the network, these questions are yes and no. If you can limit yourself to it, because what you have just said in so many words, the summary of it is yes.
Some questions having some response. So please,
was
let's give the explanation.
My question is this. My question is this. Was he a member of the panel that investigated the claimant's complaint? Just yes or no.
I can't say at the moment. I cannot say at the moment. It was a member. I cannot say at the
I,
I
I,
cannot
And say,
say at the moment if it was a member. I cannot confirm that. I cannot confirm that.
yes.
now, do you know any or more Bayode Okelola? He's also one of the lawyers at the Law Crest LLP, the law firm representing the defendant in this matter.
Yes, I do.
And Lord, the question is, do you know any or more
I
Bayode?
said yes, I do. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I do.
My lord, I have an issue with the quality of the reception. So we are sure we are recording the witness.
Honestly, something is wrong with all these our I cannot say, even I'm seeing her very closely, but I cannot even get what she's saying.
The vision is clear, but
The reception.
I was talking to know whether she says I do or don't.
Don't have to check, so we put our phone.
Ms. Biwasake, can you hear me? Can you reboot your phone? Because to appear as if the network problem is from your end, can you reboot and reconnect again?
Right. Try and do that. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now. We're not hearing you before now. Are you hearing me clearly?
This is very unacceptable to me, because if I don't hear what she's saying very well, and I write down something else and make a ruling or a judgment based on what wasn't what she said, it will not be fair. Any of
My colleague who is writing, I keep asking him, how did you hear what was writing? I will be sure that you are clear. Maybe if she reboot it.
I hope so.
Have you done that?
Better now.
I don't think
Is it better?
It's not better.
it is not better yet. The last lecture,
Can you leave the meeting?
I've left completely. I'm not.
Okay. I just let
She did not put, if she puts, better.
Can you change your position?
Can you say hello?
Is it better?
It's not.
It's
The
not.
moment they crack like that, I know that when you begin to speak, some words will start to jump.
Is it better now?
I think so.
Yeah, it seems it's better now. Yeah.
Is it better?
Can you give your last answer again?
That
Now,
was one.
the question I asked last was whether you know any or more Bayode Okelola.
Yes, I do.
All right, I think she can. It's better, sort of.
What did you say?
She said, yes, I do.
What was your answer again? Do you know him?
Did you say you know him?
What did you say? Can you repeat your answer? The last answer you gave.
I said I can't. I cannot.
I don't, even come back within the week.
I cannot remember that. From 3 to 4 years ago. So I can't remember. So I have to go back and check.
My lord, I would say,
You see,
no, I'm standing on my feet, counsel, please, just
Thomas, don't
just a
please
minute.
me. I want to explain something. The problem I was talking about the audio now, because before now, council head had I do. I had I don't. It take her explaining now to actually make us understand that she was saying I don't. So I don't think the reception is good enough to continue with the proceeding.
My noble lord, I agree that the reception has been bad. However, as it relates to this question, the witness has answered yes twice now, twice, if not up to 3 times.
You are the only one that had it.
I'm not the only one. Those in court.
So,
Like who now?
after I can't remember.
You can't say you can't remember. You've
I
answered twice.
can't. This is 4 years ago. I cannot remember. So is that
Even
answer?
That she say no, I don't.
even that time she said, he asked whether she can confirm that he was a member of the panel that investigated the claimant's complaints. Then, I don't know what she said before, but I now saw, I cannot confirm that. Is it that
That's what she said, man.
I cannot confirm that?
My noble lord, in this case, I think let's take an adjournment, then I'll start all over from where I started so that it will be clear. There won't be any need to go back and forth.
Yes.
We have 2 dates. We were given 2 dates at the last time this matter came up. Today and 1st of July, July 1.
Okay,
Yes.
maybe we come back on 1st of July because for the rest of the week, all the judges of NICN were going for a conference.
As a court.
So it can't be tomorrow. We'll just take the second date, which is 1st of January,
Of
1st
July,
of July.
as the court.
Okay. Please check our diary. It's 1st of July, all right.
If it is not, we are amenable to any change the court will make.
Eh? Okay, this date.
And what is coming now?
Okay.
It is convenient as well. I don't know if I pray for, I don't know if I'm going to be an Oliver twist, asking the court to
Give
give
another
another
date.
date as the court pleases. That way, because I think the defendant has some other witnesses to call.
Yes.
Okay.
Please come in to the court. We have no objection to that question.
Subjoined.
Yeah, 7th of July.
First. Do we have any other short dates?
I'm
Close.
available next week.
Are you saying face is not convenient?
First is fine. 1st of July is fine.
That's already.
No, we have that date already.
Yes.
So I'm just thinking of
second
the
date.
possibility of a second date. Is there any possibility? What? November. Okay, November 4. That's after the.
It's convenient for us.
Okay.
Witness, please. November 4. November 4. Anyway, we didn't.
It's fine. No, it's fine. As of now, because November is like 4 months time. So November 4th is fine.
Thank you very much.
November 4th is convenient for the claimant.
So on that day, it will be for cross-examination.
As the court pleases.
DW1.
Of DW1, as the court pleases.
Where is she? Where is she speaking from?
From United States.
Where?
Oh,
I don't know where, but I know.
okay. It's not in Nigeria.
No, man.
Maybe before then you talk to her. It's like she's
I think it's part with the network connection she's using. But we find a place where reception will be better than this. Because on the last day when she was here, it was very clear.
So,
but
it would appear as if she's not happy at all, or all these things do not help her.
But I think it's the stress of trying to be heard. Network connection will mess up your demeanor and countenance.
And we're also straining our ears to hear what she said.
Exactly.
So at this time, this matter stands adjourned, because it has been adjourned before, to the 1st day of July 2025. And also the 4th of July, 4th of November 2025, for continuation of cross-examination of the DW1.
As public, we are most grateful to your worship.
We are grateful to the court.
Are we taking it by Zoom too?
So,
Are we agreeing this by Zoom?
yes. But if I will speak to her since the connection is bad, if she's available, I will let council know ahead of time that she'll be
Okay.
available physically.
Okay.
It would be better if she was available. While we were at the station, surprisingly, she was available. Now that we need her the most, she traveled to US.
Make comments sometime that he made them as a jest, but they are irritating. His witness testified on 2 occasions we are coming to court, they were testifying virtually. Matter was adjourned for physical hearing, she didn't come. On the 3rd day, they applied for physical hearing. And I never objected to him having his witness testify virtually. But on the last date, he was making side remarks about the fact that my witness is testifying virtually. What is good
No,
for
well,
what is good
if
for the case is good for the gun.
My noble lord, the only complaint I've had before the court is that he never brought before the court a proper application as requested by the rules of this court. And I didn't even object to that. If I had made any side comments, it would have been in relation to that fact. And I do not think it's a wrong statement to make. He didn't bring any proper application before the court. The records of the court are there.
The sponges are tasting.
And I won't. It's not necessary.
Then why are you repeating it?
Okay. And we should know that it has to be from 12 noon, because we understand that so many courts would like to, lodge in at the same time.
As the court pleases.
So, but it's from 12.
As the court pleases. Thank you, sir.
One sec, can I sign off now?